Twin Cities homeowners, look no further for your home cleaning needs. With Details Dixon's, our trusted teams handle cleaning and maintenance across your entire home, inside and out. Book one-time or recurring house cleaning. Get carpets, rugs, upholstery, and tile cleaned. Enjoy streak-free windows, clear gutters and downspouts. Boost curb appeal with pressure or soft washing for siding, roofs, decks, patios, and driveways. Improve safety and air quality with dryer vent and air duct cleaning. When winter hits, schedule roof snow removal and ice dam mitigation with low-pressure steam. One call cleans it all, guaranteed. Get an instant quote at mycleanhome.com.